Hello guys, today I am going to do the unboxing of copper water bottle.
Hello guys, today we are going to do unboxing of Milton copper bottle. So let's open. So it's very nice packed. This is the Milton copper bottle. And the features of this, so it is pure copper, leak proof, increases immunity, boost heart health, slow down aging. Okay, so this is Milton copper bottle, and this bottle has 1 year warranty, and the model of this is Copperas 1000, and actual capacity is 920 ml, and I ordered it from Amazon with discount on 750 rupees, but if we buy from market then we will almost get 995 rupees. So it's well done packing. So let's open it now. Inside also very nice packing. So this is the Milton bottle. Okay. So we can play game in this also, like this. Okay. So this is good for health also. We are going to open it now. Now we are going to open.
Very nice.
Yes, it looks very nice. So inside also is very good.
So the cover.
Yeah, the
Wow, it's
cover
nice.
is also nice.
And it is having a rubber grip.
Yeah, rubber grip.
And it's original. Its hallmark is there, Milton. Nice.
Yeah. So as I told you, it was made up of pure copper.
And it is 99.9% copper.
Yeah. Yes.
And
This is very good for health also while drinking water in this bottle. Now I'm going to tell some health benefits from this bottle while drinking water in this bottle. So, aids weight loss, keeps the heart healthy, slows down aging, helps in digestion. So, there is emboss effect of Milton Company. Now I'm going to rotate this bottle and show you how it looks. Here also there is Milton Company emboss effect. See how shining it is. Now in this box of Milton copper bottle, it would be written about their features, cleaning instruction, warranty, caution, and the model and quantity of this bottle.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you and bye. Meet you in the next video.